So the shortest distance is going to be the perpendicular distance OA from the origin to the line. Any line that we attempt to draw from the origin will be longer than this perpendicular line. So to find the length of the line segment OA, we need to determine the coordinates for A. So let's start by finding the equation of this line OA. We know that the slope of our original line is 2. So the slope of the perpendicular line will be the negative reciprocal of 2, which is negative 1/2. Now that we know the slope, and we know that it goes through the origin, we can determine the equation of this line. So we're given x1 is 0, y1 is 0, and m is negative 1 over 2. So subbing in to our formula for the line, we get y minus 0 equals negative 1/2 x minus 0, which simplifies to y equals negative 1/2 x. So the point A is the intersection of this line, y equals negative 1/2 x, and this line, y equals 2x minus 5. So we'll have to solve this system of equations in order to find this intersection point. So our first equation will be our original line, y equals 2x minus 5. And our second equation will be our new perpendicular line, y equals negative 1/2 x. So to solve by substitution, since both lines are equal to y, we'll set them equal. So 2x minus 5 equals negative 1/2 x. So if we collect the x's on the left side, we get 2x plus 1/2 x. And we'll collect the numbers on the right-hand side of the equals, so we have positive 5. This means that 5/2 x equals 5. So to get rid of the 5/2 in front of the x, we'll multiply both sides by 2 over 5. So x equals 5 times 2 over 5. So x equals 2, since the 5's cancel out. So now we can substitute x equals 2 into our simpler equation, which is equation 2, in order to solve for y. So y equals negative 1/2 times 2, so y equals negative 1. So our intersection point, point A, is 2, negative 1. So now we can calculate the distance between the origin and point 2, negative 1. So we're given x1 is 0, y1 is 0, that's the origin point. x2 is 2, y2 is negative 1, that's the intersection point A. So our formula for the length of a line segment is given here, and we can substitute in. So we have 2 subtract 0 squared plus negative 1 subtract 0 squared. So we get 2 squared plus negative 1 squared, or 4 plus 1. So our final answer is the root of 5. So therefore, the shortest distance from the origin to the line y equals 2x minus 5 is the root of 5.